So this is what we're going to work on today. Whoever has a manufacture date. This is patent. On this side? Nope, just says a patent. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to try to get this over here where you guys can see. We're going to try to get this off here first, I think. Okay, so then if we can get this top cover off, we can probably see in the gearbox. And then hopefully I can get this chunk of metal out. You see that chunk of metal right there? Right there. So that's, I think, inside of it. If we can't get that out, we're going to go further. And then we'll go ahead and we'll try and grease her up and get it running. Right now, everything just froze up solid. So, actually, and I don't know, did you get these two here?
No, not yet.
So those are the two I think we need to start with here. You see these two flathead screws? I think that holds this. That nut. Bolt, rather. So that retained it.
And that's just a set nut.
Yeah.
Just to slide it on.
That's it. Okay, so now I'm sure this thing hadn't been taken apart since the day they founded it.
Your gears are good.
You know what? This patent date here is 1902. Is that maybe a 7? No, that's a 1.
I think it's in there.
I don't think it is either. Okay, there's a worm gear there.
I think your gears look good.
Yeah, there's a lot less rust in here than I thought there'd be. So, when it got dropped, what would have jammed it all up? Because I don't see the piece at all. Unless something fell down in that worm gear way down there. Uh-oh. Yeah, over here, Ashley had me cardboard. Thought this might get yucky. I don't see anything that's jamming it up. Unless it just, maybe when it dropped, it jumped up on top of a gear. Teeth got it misaligned.
This is the one that spins the fastest.
You think so?
Well, I mean, this gear drives this gear, then this gear drives this.
This one is this one would be the fastest one.
Yeah.
I'd assume it's the biggest. Well, this must be a worm drive here.
Well, this is big gear, little gear, and then another gear.
This one's dull. Yeah, we're turning. We're turning. Let's get some more breakup stuff in here. So,
Yeah, I mean, you get those bearings kind of cleaned out, blew out.
Yeah.
With your air compressor and oil them, grease
I
them.
might get it. Turning pretty free. Took it over to my father-in-law's, and he helped me get it broke free. So now I'm just going to scrub it with some rust penetrant remover, clean it up best I can, dry it out, and then hit the outside of it with some Rust-Oleum. That's where we are right now.
Blower's working.